Good morning, class 7th. This is your poem number 1, Echoing Green. This is written by William Blake. Okay, now in this poem, the poet is talking about the spring season. As we all know, that spring season is a very pleasant season, and the children play outside, and everything just looks bright and gay, and new flowers are there. The lush greenery attracts everyone, and the people also they come out of their houses. So, like this, the poet has described about the spring season. All right, now now the sun is also coming, and sky is also very happy, and for welcoming this spring the merry bells are ringing. Okay, just to welcome this new and good season. It is the spring season is considered as the queen of all the seasons, as it's neither hot nor too cold. Okay, so over here now the poet is saying again the skylark and thrush are the two kinds of birds. Okay, they are also welcoming the spring season just by singing and chirping all around, and they're singing louder. And their chattering sound is also complementing the bell's cheerful sound. Cheerful sound means happy. And while our sport shall be seen means all the children have now started playing on the echoing green. Green is the greenery that you can see that is spread over all that area, and all these people, children, birds, and even the old folks, all of them are just making sounds, and their sounds are just echoing with the green. Now in the second paragraph there has been a description of an old man. His name is John, and his hair is gray. All right, now over here he is enjoying himself, and he has forgotten all about his worries. Okay, now over he is sitting with his old mates. I mean folk means people with the old people, and over there he's sitting inside the sorry, under the oak tree. Okay, and now he is recalling his old time memories, that as kids when they were children they also used to play like this, and when they were also youth and when they were small kids they also used to play in such manner. Okay, and youth means young time on the echoing green. And then over in the last paragraph he's saying now in the first paragraph it was the morning time, the daytime. In the second time it was the mid time, and now this is the evening time he's describing. In this third paragraph he's saying now the little children are very tired. Now after getting tired everybody has to now go home. Why? Because the sun is also descending. I mean the sun is setting, and now the sports have to an end, and the small children now they are around their laps of their mothers. I mean they're sleeping in their mother's laps, and all the birds are returning to their nest, and as it's the evening time, and now everybody is about to rest, and there is no more sport, there is nobody on the darkening green.